Hello students. So in this video we will make another very interesting program in Fortran, that is to print divider difference table. As you all aware, we have used that method in interpolation. Now let us write a Fortran program for that. So we start with the variable declaration, integer. Let us make it for 3 values only first of all. And here we declared subscripted variables, one-dimensional as well as two-dimensional. Integer I, j and n. Now let us enter the values. First of all, enter number of data points, and we store that in n. Now next we enter data. For that we print star comma x bracket start I is equal to, and we read it and store it in xi. Similarly, let me copy this, Control C and Control V. So now we print yi and we store this data in yi1 because it's a two-dimensional. So for this we need to write a do loop here. Do I from 1 to n, and here we write the and do loop. Okay, so after this let us write the process for finding divider difference. Do I from 2 to n. So we start from the second column. We take another variable, k is equal to 1. Let us declare it here. We start with k is equal to not 1, it's actually I. And second loop, do j from 1 to n minus I plus 1. And here is the process, y j comma I is equal to, so we write this and divided by xi's, difference of xi's. So here we write y j plus 1 comma I minus 1 difference. So always write bracket both sides. It is a good practice. So by this we can avoid the syntax error, and divide it by xk minus xj, and then we write k is equal to k plus 1, and here we end the loop and do, and then initial loop and do. So now it's time to print the output. For that let's print the heading divider difference table, and now we print the table do I from 1 to n. Now we write 1 to n because we want to print the initial data also. Print star comma xi, then y I comma j, and j varies from 1 to n minus I plus 1. Then we leave a blank line after every row, and here we write and do, and with that last read star to make output visible, stop and end. So I hope you got an idea how can we input values and then we find the divided difference, and here we print the data. Let us save this and check for any syntax errors. So it's successfully compiled. So as we have taken this for 3 values, let us execute and enter 3 values. So let us enter number data points 3, initial value x10, y11, x11, x23, x33, and y4 49. Let us see. So as you see, we can easily cross check that our programs run perfectly. Let us make some changes so that this presentation will be better, as well as we will increase the data points. Let us make it 4. So you can increase as per your requirement, and here we make use of format statement. So we already done this in my previous video also. Let me write format 2x comma and let me copy and paste this data here. For this we write here, we make the space of, let us give space of 3 digits, or we can make space of 2 digits only, and here we print I only. So I will be printed at I2, where we have given 2 spaces of data. Okay, so let us do the same for Y with different label number. Okay, let me copy this line and paste it here. Just we have to change this label number to 20 and X with Y, and we have to delete all these things and we write only I. Okay, so let us do it. So now we are entering 4 data points. Let me compile it first because we have made changes. So the executable file will be rebuilt using this command. Now we are executing that file. And as you see, now we have to enter 4 data points. Now you see presentation is much better. Initial value of X corresponding Y 1 and 3, 3 and 49, and 4 and 129. So on your screen, so this is the divided difference table corresponding to these values. So I hope you got an idea how to write a program to print divided difference table.